What if you could turn messy phone photos into Amazon-ready product images and get paid for every picture? Online shoppers judge products by photos. With AI tools like Nano Banana, you can clean backgrounds and create studio-style product images and sell this as a service. Most small sellers take product photos on beds, tables, or messy rooms. These photos don't look professional and directly hurt sales conversion rates. Buyers expect polished, studio-quality images, especially on platforms like Amazon and Etsy. Small sellers can't afford expensive photo shoots or professional photographers. AI can remove cluttered backgrounds instantly and replace them with clean white or lifestyle studio scenes. The product stays sharp and realistic while the background looks professionally shot. What once required hours in Photoshop or expensive professional photography can now be done in minutes by anyone. The process is simple. 4 steps. First, sellers upload their product photo. Second, you select the background to remove and prompt the AI. Third, AI removes the background and fills it with a clean studio scene. Fourth, you deliver polished catalog images in minutes. Who pays for this service? Amazon sellers need professional product images to rank higher in search and increase conversion rates. Etsy sellers want their handmade products to look polished and professional. Shopify store owners need consistent, high-quality product photography. eBay sellers need better images to compete. Dropshipping entrepreneurs need bulk photo editing for hundreds of products. All of these sellers have budgets for photo editing. You can sell this service on multiple platforms. Launch on Fiverr and Upwork to reach sellers actively seeking product photo editing. List on Etsy as a service offering. Join Facebook seller groups and share your before and after examples. Use direct outreach to store owners on social media and email. Build partnerships with dropshipping agencies and print-on-demand services. Let's talk money. Charge $3 to $15 per image, depending on volume and complexity. Packages like 20 images for $100 sell well. Offer bulk discounts. 10 images for $40, 50 images for $180. With bulk orders from just a few sellers, you can earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Before AI, product photo editing required Photoshop expertise and hours of manual work. Today, AI handles the heavy lifting automatically in minutes. You don't need design experience. You don't need expensive software. You just need to understand your client's needs and deliver consistent, professional results. Here's how to start today. First, find sample product photos from Amazon, Etsy, or eBay listings. Create 5 to 10 before and after edits showcasing your work. Second, create your gig on Fiverr or Upwork with clear pricing and portfolio examples. Third, promote in seller communities, Facebook groups, and directly to store owners. Start with 1 or 2 clients, deliver exceptional results, and scale through referrals. This is AI side hustle number 3. High demand. Repeat clients. Easy to scale. Follow for the next AI side hustle opportunity. Turn AI into sustainable income. Let's go.